Hey guys, SportsFan1100 here from TaylorWProductions.weebly.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a really cool intro. I actually used this intro a long time ago, back in about Season 2. You might recognize this before, but it's very basic. I've been getting a lot of requests for this tutorial, and yeah, so I decided to make it. Alright, you want to hit Control New, or Control N for New. And for your template, I suggest just NTSC-DV. You can do NTSC-DV widescreen, but it's up to you. You don't have to do it. So I'm just going to stick with NTSC-DV widescreen. Alright. Now, first of all, we need to make our text. So go to Media Generators, find Text, and find Cool. This is the one I used. It doesn't matter. You can use any of yours. Type in what you want. And we'll make this. I used 48. There you go. And you don't, actually I'll add a little feather. That's good. Okay, now right click, insert, yeah, you don't even have to do that. Go to Video Effects and find border and select translucent blue border and add that on. So you get something like this. Now, I made this a little smaller, so go to the size and make this just a little smaller. That's good. Okay, now right click and insert a video track and find media generators and find noise texture. Now use standard noise and set the color to blue, because that's our border color, and we'll set this color to blue as well. So you get something like this. Now to make it move, you take the timeline tool and drag this to the end, and take the progress in degrees and move that all the way up. So now, as you see, you'll have a little animation going with the noise texture. Now find the compositing mode and set that to multiply. Now as you see, your text will move, or your noise texture will move inside the border. Now you won't really see it too well, but I suggest just making the color a little lighter. And I just used this one. I'm not sure, I forgot which one I used. You could try using the other ones, like Blood Cells or Soft Clouds or one of those. Or Plasma. Plasma's a good one. But just, fiddle around with it. Try to get it good. Now, as you see, the text is still like this. So right click and, the text is still multiplied by the noise texture, and we don't want that. So go to right click and insert a video track and copy the text layer, and paste it right here. So now you won't have that. Oh yeah, it still works. Okay, you just can barely see it. It's kind of hard to see, but yeah, it still works. Actually, you know what? I might just make this a little brighter. This. Yeah, that looks okay. I think the screen capture won't take it, but I can still see it. Alright. Now to add animation, first go to Tools, or select everything, and then go to Tools, Render to New Track, and set it just as AVI NTSC-DV. We'll call it track 3. Now it'll automatically import, so you don't have to worry about dragging it in. And we're just going to delete these tracks because it's the same thing and we don't need them anymore. So now everything's in just one layer. Okay, now find the track motion thumbnail on this track and set the source alpha to 3D source alpha. So now you'll have 3 more options where you can move it in various directions. So take the left, or the middle in this case, and move this, zoom in a little bit with the scrolling wheel, and move this left or right, vice versa, and then it will move around, just like that. Now, all we have to do is keyframe this. So, go right here and we'll go about, actually, first of all, I'm going to hit Control and drag this a little longer so we can look a little better. And go back to track motion. About right here. And move this, we'll go this way. And we'll go to about right here. Hold on. I don't know what that, oh yeah, that's what I do. Do like that. And then a little more. Then we'll go the other way. Or like this or something. Okay, and just get it back so you get something like this. I'll show you. I think I made mine a little faster, so you can bring these keyframes in a little bit. I'll even bring them in more. It's about what I used. Alright, that's good. Alright, now right about, and I'll shorten this down actually, it's about like right here. Right about here, we're going to split the clip and add a lens flare. So go to video effects and find lens flare. And insert the 35mm lens on the second, because we split the clip, so add it on the second clip. And we're going to keyframe this as well, so go to about right here, and we'll move this up, and just do all the corners. See that? You can also change the settings as well, so like maybe right here I'll make the tint brighter, and I'll make the intensity whiter, and I'll change the size to littler. So now we get, wow, that goes in a circle. And that's basic, like the basic animation that I did. I added a little more, but I mean, like the directions were a little different in my original, but that's basically the basic effect. I mean, you can't really add much more, but you can add more, maybe like color correction, change the border size, but I'm just showing you the basic effect, what I did. And yeah, I hope this helped. Thanks for watching, guys. Also, guys, I made a new form. The link will be in the description. My old form was not getting any traffic, and I guess like there's something wrong with it, and it was too complicated, so I decided to use this one. And it has way more questions, and Sony Vegas, After Effects, Premiere, Photoshop, Camtasia Studio, that's what I used to record. And like I have braces topic. A lot of people were messaging me about braces and stuff. Basic computer questions. I decided to add like some polls and questions for XP, Vista, and 7, or earlier operating systems. I'll try to add a Mac operating system topic, but I don't really have a Mac, so I don't know a lot about it. I also added PHP BB3 for forum questions, and I also added HTML questions as well. And new videos that will be coming up, that's at the bottom. So, like, I posted one for my new short film that we're kind of slacking behind because of the snow that we had, and that won't be out for a while. But we're coming up with a cool name, and I had a corny name, but it's not too good. So if you guys can come up with the name and post it here, that'd be great. Also, I have I'm in process of making a new site. It's still in process. I just made it. but this one's going to be just for sportsfan1100 and will be a .net domain by Christmas. So hopefully that will help. I got some cool stuff up, some videos. I haven't uploaded or updated a pro yet, so I've only added one video. And I have a blog up there. It's a really great blog, so go check that out. I've only added 2 topics, but it's still pretty good. I also have the partner requirements up here. Tons of people have been messaging me about that. So if you want to go look at the requirements to see if you're eligible to become a partner, look right here at my website. It's sportsfan1100.webstart.com/blog.html. The link will be in the description. I also have a forum, or the forum tab will lead to here. If you just click here, you'll enter the forum. And that's all you have to do. Yeah, thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helped, and yeah, thanks for watching. I hope this helped, and yeah, bye guys.